the Juicing Masterclass. Get Jay's free juicing ebook. Click the link down below. Hi, this is Linda Kordich. Today we're going to show you how to juice ginger. You can see that we're going to start off with a big piece of ginger, maybe 2 inches round. We'll juice that first because then when we use the apples to flush through the juicer, you'll get all the ginger coming out of the bowl and into the glass. I think in this looks like we're doing 4 apples to 1 big piece of ginger. Now that's going to be pretty strong. If you don't really like the taste of ginger, but you know it's good for you, you can cut that piece way down, maybe by 70%, okay? But I want to let you know, ginger is a fabulous rhizome. It's also really known as a root. The wonderful thing about ginger, and I think that Jay used to talk a lot about it, is that it's really, really good for our digestion. If you're ever nauseated or you're pregnant, this is a wonderful, wonderful juice to drink combined with apples. For nausea, it also improves digestion, it reduces inflammation. Gosh, it kills bad bacteria in our gut. And when you combine it with apples, it makes a beautiful juice therapy combination. Just remember though that you don't want to juice ginger with the volatile greens. Greens are very sensitive and delicate, and they don't combine well with the powerful compounds from the ginger. Okay? Anyway, that's that. See you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.